Hi guys, it's me Rose here again for you at Shoes of Hollywood here today. I'll be doing a shoe review for you as requested. Today we're doing a very special shoe which is exciting. So these ones are the Pleaser, got my earring caught, sorry. Pleaser Xtreme-809s. So there's a little label for you guys to have a little look at. If you're interested and wanting to buy these ones, check it out. So as always, your brand new Pleasers come in the really cool storage box. Little butterflies on the front, so they look very pretty in your closet. So unpackage these ones. And again, all you come in your little carry bag, so they're perfect for traveling, holidays, or just taking them out of a big chunky box if you don't want to carry that all around all the whole time. So that's perfect for them. Alright, so these are an 8-inch rose gold chrome. So here we are, and the special thing about these ones is they're not just plain rose gold chrome, they've got the multi-coloured glitter underneath and on the back of the heel here. So that just gives it that extra little bit of spice and makes them really special from just being the plain gold chrome. So you can see that sprinkle. Alright, so these ones are an 8-inch. Take them out. 8-inch heel, sorry. And as always, your new shoes come in your little packaging up here to keep them nice and protected. So at the top here, we've got the rose gold chrome finish up here, but it's the shiny kind of rose gold. Got the really grippy bottom sole, so you've got the new Pleaser lips, so you don't get it caught on anything. I think I'm just a bit distracted by all this glitter here, and it's making me go, ooh. So that's my favourite part, so I'll give a good look at here. So it's got kind of like the mermaid look, multi-colour glitter, and also on the back of the heel here. So that just makes it that extra bit special. And the kind of reflective rose gold chrome. I think these are absolutely gorgeous. So let's give them a try on. Get me a bit distracted, so I really want to try these ones on. So I'm a size 7. But they come in all sizes, all different sizes. And these ones are fresh from California, America as well. So make sure you're getting quick, because as everyone knows, the rose gold chrome or rose gold altogether are very popular at the moment. And I think these ones just give it that extra bit of special touch. Nice and shiny. I like shiny things. Alright, we'll give these a little bit of a walk. Show you what they look like. Try to show off that multicolored glitter that I'm distracted by so much. So yes, I am walking on carpet today, so I might seem a little bit wobbly as these are 8-inch heels. But obviously they're a lot sturdier and better when I'm on flat, hard ground. But it works. As you can probably see, that sparkly glitter at the back there. So the open back heel is really good too, so it gives you that extra bit of room, extra bit of support. Alright. They're so shiny. Almost like a goddess look. See that? Alright, just have a little look from the side view here. And I just think that multicolored glitter is so beautiful, and it gives you that really extra touch to them. A little hidden away there. Alright, so we're going to take you outside to give him a little look at the shiny and the glitter and everything like that. But keep in mind, we can't stay out there too long. But yeah, so make sure you drop comments below of this video to tell us what you think of these brand new special rose gold chrome 8-inch extremes. And make sure to subscribe and follow Shoes of Hollywood. And there's always a little bell up in the top corner. Make sure you click on that so you always get notified on new upcoming videos and new specials, so you never miss out on a good deal. Alright, let's check these out outside. Now you'll see what I mean. Now we have a little bit of a breeze here today, but it's a very hot breeze, so I just hope you can still hear me. Very shiny and reflective. Come over here. You see that multicolored glitter? I think every lady needs a good pair of glitter shoes in the closet, because you know we do like shiny things. Gorgeous ones. They stand out. Alright. So please keep in mind these are an 8-inch heel, so they're not as short as 7-inch obviously. So keep that in mind, you've got that extra bit of height there too. But they are still a very comfortable shoe. Let's give you one quick look out here in the sun again, because I'm absolutely obsessed with that glitter. Yes, a bit wobbly today. Alright, let's get back inside and cool. Have it. Alright, so there we have those ones. So they are the rose gold chrome finish. Alright. That little rose coloured buckle there as well really blends it in with the shoe, which I really like about these ones. So there we have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed those ones. Let you know what you think and comments below. Alright, thanks guys. See ya.